Rapidemo is the number one screen recorder that makes you beautiful screen recordings with automated cursor tracking and automated zooms. And this software will allow you also to edit your video all inside a single application within a single cheap subscription. And you can try it out right now completely for free by getting a free trial to record and edit your first video. And if you actually like what you've done and along to render it and unlock export, you can get a license, but only after you try it out. So today I'm going to show you exactly why I like this software and why I'm recording with this software only. All of these tutorials you'll see on this site. So first of all, this is the owner of this product, the creator, really amazing guy. And here it shows you a little bit of a preview of what you can create with this kind of software. At the half of the video, you are going to see an actual preview of how to record, best settings, and how to edit with this software. In just 5 minutes, you will learn all of that. But why would you want to use this software? It's great for tutorial guys, for product demos, launch videos, super amazing guys. It has automated zoom animations on your cursor at click. It has fluid 3D layouts that are super amazing. If you especially use web cameras or you have some kind of motion kind of video you want to make, which is usually promotional videos, this is amazing for that. So essentially what it does is it zooms on every click and it tracks your cursor while you are in this zoomed in position. Also, you can set different vertical and square videos. You can do videos for shorts, you can do videos for YouTube, you can do videos on all of these aspect ratios. And as I've said, it has an easy to use video editor, which is something that a lot of people don't factor in. This alone, the easy to use video editor, is worth at least $20 to $30 per month because you would have to get a different subscription, not only for the recording system, but also for the editing system. But they offer both of these for just $9 per month for 3 computers. So for each computer, these guys are offering it for literally $3 for a single computer. Like, it's insane how cheap this is and how powerful what they give you is. So it has smooth cursor motion, as we can see, high resolution cursor. So when you zoom in the cursor has high quality, and this is essentially a wrapper over the cursor, so it keeps this high quality. And you can also change the cursor. So I know a lot of people don't like a lot of changes in the cursor. They might want a different size on the cursor. You can set all that, and this is very useful, for example, for elders that cannot track everything that happens with small cursors. You bump up the cursor size and it looks great. And essentially, when the cursor ends its move, it zooms out to the original location. So visually, it's very appealing for demos and for all of these kind of videos that have to do with promotion and teaching people. And also they've got these 2D and 3D layouts where you can actually shift the perspective of the viewer while they watch the video. Like, it has the effect you see on screen right now, which is pretty amazing when you see it on tutorials. Not over abused, just sometimes it gives a little bit of reference, gets you stacked out. It feels very nice. So they also got that, which is amazing. And of course, as we've said, you can easily edit your video, add in zooms, change the background and the size of the background, which I think is very powerful. I use it all the time. Like, this kind of framework with backgrounds, etc., just looks so nice, calm and appealing. I really love it. And what I really like about the software is the ease of setting it up. You can capture your entire screen, just a window, a custom area. You can easily export with pre-made defaults that are super great, especially for YouTube and other social media. So you don't have to mess with the settings. For people that are just beginning, this is such a good solution. And it also has multiple layouts. It has camera zooms automatically. So everything is in motion, organized. And what I really like is that everything is customizable and everything interplays with everything else. And finally, you can transcribe your videos to create animated subtitles. and you can do what we say, editing via speech and via text using their software. So this is very, very powerful, to be honest. Like, because transcription is very, very important, especially if your audience, if your market is not natively speaking English. They can read the subtitles and understand what you're trying to do. So I think also this feature is very powerful. And finally, it has 4K exports, 60 frames per second, different aspect ratios, different settings for quality. All is super automated, super easy. And you can see all of the capabilities over here at these panels. I'm not going to waste more of your time. You are going to see exactly how to set everything up in the next few moments. And finally, for the subscription, they've got a monthly subscription for $9 per month. You get 3 licenses. And you also have a pay one subscription where you get to pay once and you get 1 year of updates, which I think is actually the best offer. Like, the software is already great and they massively improve it all the time. So yeah, I really like it. Let's jump to the second part, which is the tutorial. All right, so let's jump in and see the settings of Rapidemo. So here we can see Rapidemo. First of all, we got the recording and open project tabs. And for a new recording, you can select your screen, a window specifically you want to capture, like an application or the browser, or specify the area, a part of your whole window which you want to capture. Then you can select your camera and microphone, and you can also record the system audio. Finally, when you have set up all of these settings, you just click the record button. Now, there is this setting button that allows you to change the settings. For example, you can change the theme from light to dark. You can report issues automatically and turn up auto updating. On the recorder side, you can select the different system audio. If you don't see your system audio here, you will need to change the drivers of your Windows. So just make sure that everything is updated on your computer. You also got the desktop screen capturing software, as well as the video encoding. Here, my suggestion is to not use the software encoder. You need to use hardware encoding if it's available on your system. If you've got an NVIDIA GPU, it's going to be NVIDIA NVEC. If you've got an AMD or a Mac, it's going to be something different. But try to find another option. Don't do software encoding. It will use so much of your CPU. For screen recording frame rate, I would suggest 60 FPS. It's the effect that makes the video super smooth, and it's very addicting to see and easy to follow. On the exporter side, you can select the export directory where your videos will get exported. You can also set hotkeys for specific actions you want to do on the video. These are very useful, even though, to be completely honest with you, this is not something that I use right now. However, if you want to edit with this software, you could use these hotkeys. Finally, we got the license and the About Me page, which for obvious reasons, I'm not going to open up. So the first thing that you do with this is record. After you record, a project will be created for your recording, and you can access all of your different old projects here. You can delete them, see them in File Explorer, if they exist, because these ones, my old ones, don't exist. And yeah, let's take, for example, this screen project. We click open so we can go back and work on our video again and again. So I want to show you a little bit the editor tab because I think it's very, very useful. So when you load your project, it will look something like that. You will see your footage on the main screen here. You can select to turn audio on or off. You can change the aspect ratio. You can zoom in here and zoom out. There's of course short keys, and here you can see the timeline with everything that you do. So there are a lot of options to play around with. For example, if you select a clip, you are going to see different settings for this clip. You can adjust, for example, the zoom, the radius of the camera, the playback speed, audios, microphones, the positioning you can change, the grid you can change. You could do so many different things. It's absolutely insane. Actually, the video editing software here is very, very powerful. Also, you can set the zooms, like change all of the zooms appropriately, change the strength. You can do manual zooms or just follow the cursor. You can change how much the camera zooms in or doesn't zoom in. You could do literally everything you need individually or on all of the zooms as a whole. You can also create masks. You can also change the screen recording options. For example, here you can set the padding of the video. Also, you can set the radius, which is the corners. You can also change, for example, the backdrop shadow of the camera. You can add blur to the camera. You can mirror the camera. For the background, you've got your own photos which you can add, or you can just use specific gradients that are preset. I really like this one for most tutorials. So let me show you my actual setup. What I'm usually doing is this kind of video where I put me on one of the corners. I reduce my size to about 30%, put a little bit of radius at 15%. Here, I want the padding to be like, I don't know, 7%, just give it a little flare to 27 pixel. You can transcribe your video using some kind of model size or, run locally. It's probably Whisper, so you can have subtitles. This is very powerful. You can change the size of the cursor, as you can see on the screen. Literally, you could do pretty much everything. And here you can see the zooms. Right click on the timeline to add a new zoom, for example, and boom, you can add a very, very easy zoom on your cursor, which is pretty amazing. Like, you could do everything you need, both on the recording side and on the video editing software. I think it's super, super powerful. And finally, when you are ready, you can go to exports and you can export to the aspect ratio you want, the resolution you want, and how much video quality you have, as well as the frame rate. You can also create a shareable link to share this video with other people. So this happens for videos up to 10 minutes. So this is also another interesting way. Let's say you make a tech demo of 1-2 minutes. You can click generate link and you can share a link for other people to view instantly. So I think this is very, very powerful. You click Q renderer and your video will be exported to the directory you have set up, which I find super amazing. So yeah, Rapidemo is literally the most powerful screen recording and editing software you can get right now for $9 per month. Like, it's a complete steal for anyone that is working on business, tutorials, coding, anybody that wants to share material with other people fast with a visually appealing motion generated video. Like, it's absolutely amazing.